I'm Chris Kamburg with Tri-Yield from Florida. I guess I'm the original Nano-Yield dealer. I started working with Clark and Landon and Warren in 2015. It's been a journey. When we started, we really didn't even know what we had. We knew we had something, but we didn't know what exactly we had. We had to research it, and we did trials and programs and just trying to fundamentally figure out how the nanotechnology was working and why it was working and how far we could take it and what we could use it with, what products we couldn't use it with. And it's been this evolution that's just been an amazing ride for me as a person and as a company, for my company now. So the Nano-Yield technology is our flagship technology, and I couldn't be more proud to work with the people that have brought it to this point. Early on, we literally were shipping products out with duct tape labels. And if you're any fan of entrepreneurialism and just grit and grind, this technology was built for you. So I'm just, like I said, I couldn't be more proud to work with this group. It's where it's come to now. It's an easily packaged, easily presented technology. So yeah, if you're a grower and you're interested in this technology, it's worth the try. Simply spike your tank with it. We generally always see at least a 3-to-1 return on investment. Your farm will be better off for it.